What's the difference between subprocess Popen and call? How can I use them? I want to call an external program from Python. I have used both Popen and call to do that. What's the difference between the two? My specific goal is to run the following command from Python. I am not sure how redirects work. I read the documentation and it says that call is a convenience function or a shortcut function. Do we lose any power by using call instead of Popen?
There are two ways to do the redirect. Both apply to either subprocess.popen or subprocess.call. Set the keyword argument shell equals true or executable equals, and specify the command just as you have it there. Since you're just redirecting the output to a file, set the keyword argument where the object points to the output file. Subprocess.popen is more general than subprocess.call. Popen doesn't block, allowing you to interact with the process while it's running, or continue with other things in your Python program. The call to Popen returns a Popen object. Call does block. While it supports all the same arguments as the Popen constructor, so you can still set the process output, environmental variables, etc., your script waits for the program to complete, and call returns a code representing the process exit status. Is basically the same as calling. Call is just a convenience function. Its implementation in Python is in subprocess.py. As you can see, it's a thin wrapper around Popen.
The other answer is very complete, but here is a rule of thumb. Call is blocking. Popen is non-blocking.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.